March reading 2024. It is March. March is the third month of the year. There are 31 days in March. Daylight saving time begins on March 10. March break is from March 11 to March 15. St. Patrick's Day is on March 17. Spring begins on March 19. There are 2 holidays in March. Good Friday is on March 29. Easter Sunday is on March 31. After March is April.